guys, welcome back to 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙾 nail art design. If you are new here, hi bestie, me myself 𝙤𝙤. Let's do a bridal nail art and make your nails shine like your wedding day. This style will be perfect for brides, bridesmaids or anyone who loves that classy radiant look for special occasion. I will be using blue and lavender for doing this nail art. I have applied blue as the base coat. We will be using marble effect on one side of our nail and another side we will be using rhinestone stones. I will be pasting the rhinestone stone only on one side of our nails. This nail art is easier than it appears. Follow the steps carefully. You should apply 2 coats of nail polish. Then immediately place the dots as shown in this video and follow the same step using a toothpick. Place just a little amount of glue on the place you want to paste the stone and gradually place the stone slowly and carefully. Rinsing stone adds a shine to our nails. While applying the base coat, make sure that you apply at least 2 layers of nail polish. If you want some simple nail design, you can skip the rinsing stones. And also, if it's not perfect, we literally don't care. Remember, we are not aiming for perfection. We are aiming for cute nail designs. If you guys want a video about marble nail design, say in the comments. If you like this nail look, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tell me, would you try this nail art for your wedding seasons? Also, if you have any doubts about this nail art, you guys are free to ask, and also ask about any other nail polishes that we can try together. Save this for your next nail art and follow 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙾 nail art design for more beginner friendly nail art designs. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art designs for beginners, short nails and DIY nails at home. Once everything is completely dry, apply your top coat. Only apply top coat on the design. Don't apply it on the rinsing stone as it damages the natural shine. Nail art takes practice and every attempt make you better. If you enjoyed this bridal nail art tutorial, please give this video a like. It's really a great support to my channel. Let me know in the comments which color should I try next. Thank you for watching. Stay creative and I will see you all in my next video.